Yo, what's up? All the bugtukons
Wow.
all over the world and your houses right now.
What?
Good afternoon and good day. We eat saging-saging.
Wow.
You see, this is so mahal-mahal in the mercado
Woo!
and in our here in the Bukid.
What?
It's so free. It's very free. That's why it is tamis-tamis. It's so yummy here and we eat this all. It's a bugtukon. Here. Shout out the bugtukon there. And the saging is bugtok also. Yo. Thank you.